continuing.
Elsewhere, experts in human vaccine development are working on a program to ensure that research in the country is locally funded as opposed to the current situation where development partners shoulder the cost. This was revealed at the Kenya Medical Research Institute, KEMRI, in Kilifi when the research organization signed a memorandum of understanding with Kenya Biovax Institute to manufacture vaccines in large quantities. Currently, 12% of KEMRI research is funded by the Kenyan government, while development partners fund 88% of the programs, making it difficult for the country to have a full control of said research.
We have been discovering vaccines, we have been discovering drugs, we have been discovering diagnostics. But some of these have been made by companies outside Kenya, abroad. And now, these are very momentous occasion that the things that we are discovering can be made locally here by our own, which is Kenya Biovax.
We're here today as Kenya Biovax and KEMRI to sign an MOU to cement the collaboration between the two entities. One, KEMRI, doing the research, and we're glad KEMRI is already a global and household name in the research area for vaccines and therapeutics and pharmaceuticals and drugs.
If you look at the co-financing model, the government is providing 12% of the funding, and the partners are providing up to 88% of the funding for critical childhood immunization vaccines.
As siblings, Biovax started in KEMRI, and now that Biovax has grown, we are ready to work with them as their research and development partners, and they will be doing the production and manufacturing of vaccines and therapeutics later on.
Still on matters health, more than 200